beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious chicken salad, perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this delicious chicken salad for this hot weather, these are the ingredients: salt, black pepper, scallion, celery, cilantro, mayonnaise, corn, jalapenos, and of course a can of chicken breast chopped already. So let's get started. Of course, to make this amazing and delicious, easy chicken salad, I have the can already opened. I'm going to remove all the excessive water. This is very important. You want to make sure that you remove all the water. It's like the tuna, but this is chicken. Okay, I am going to throw this away, and I am going to go ahead and add all the amazing chunks of chicken. Look at this. I'm going to pull it apart. This salad really comes out delicious, and it's easy to prepare. Once everything is nice and pulled apart, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add half a cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to add the juice of the jalapeno. It's going to be about half a cup of juice of the jalapeno, 1 cup of corn. You decide if you want to add some more corn. But here I am going to incorporate and cover all the chicken breast with those amazing flavors, the juice of the jalapenos and the mayonnaise. Let me tell you, this chicken salad doesn't come out spicy at all. Here I am going to go ahead and start getting all the celery, slicing it in very thin strips. And then I am going to chop it in very small little pieces. I want the celery to really infuse the chicken with the amazing flavor. Look at this. The smaller the pieces, the better this salad is going to taste. It really doesn't take too long to make this delicious and easy chicken salad. Here I am going to transfer it to the plate. I have the cilantro here. The cilantro, I am going to just remove the edges, and then I am going to chop very fine. The cilantro really gives the chicken a delicious earthy flavor. I have the scallions here. I removed just a little bit of the edges, and now I am ready to chop away. Once you make this chicken salad, you are going to love it. It's perfect for the go. It's perfect for a hot weather. It is easy and delicious, and it really is not time consuming. But you're going to love it. It comes out delicious every time. Of course, the jalapenos, I am adding 1 cup of chopped jalapenos. The jalapenos are not spicy at all, but you decide if you want to use less or a little more. For here at home, I only use 1 cup, and I chop it really good. It's going to help stabilize the chicken, and it's going to last in your refrigerator for about at least 4 days. Let me tell you, the juice of the jalapeno is never spicy. I'm going to add all of this into the plate, and look at these green and delicious colors, veggies, that of course my mouth is already watering. I can't wait to enjoy it. You could enjoy it in a sandwich, wheat bread, white bread, or even in a tostada, a crispy corn tortilla. Well, here I am going to incorporate everything really good, making sure that everything is covered with the chicken, with the juice of the jalapenos. This part is really time consuming, but once you incorporate everything, make sure that you cover it with saran wrap, put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes so all those flavors come together, and then you're ready to enjoy. I'm going to go ahead, put it in the refrigerator for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And while it's in the refrigerator, I have some napkins here, a plate, and I am going to fry some corn tortillas. I am going to enjoy this salad with corn and crispy tostadas with the corn tortilla. Of course, always have a plate with some napkins so that you remove the excessive oil from your golden brown corn tortillas. Look at this. Once they are nice and golden brown, then you're ready to remove. Of course, I'm going to stay making some more. We are a family of 6 siblings. So I am going to continue making the rest, and then I'll show you when they are done and ready to enjoy the amazing chicken salad. Look at this. Well, here I'll be getting nice and crispy a couple more of the corn tortillas. Once this is done, I am ready to assemble my delicious chicken tostada. Look at this. If you liked and loved this easy and delicious chicken salad, I invite you to leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and be part of Cooking with Gloria. Be part of Cooking with Gloria, and of course, without your help, Cooking with Gloria will not be growing. Thank you so much for being part of my family. Of course, I'm adding a piece of jalapeno right on the top. I can't wait to enjoy. And I hope you make this amazing and easy recipe. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing chicken salad. Perfect for this hot weather. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Delicious. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved this amazing and easy chicken salad, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying this amazing chicken salad. Perfect for this hot weather. Like, subscribe, and share, and see you on my next amazing recipe. Bye-bye.